Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So today I am in the car starting this hair vlog because I am like 10 minutes, not even 10, I'm like 5 minutes away from my hairstylist, and I wanted to start this vlog for you guys and basically show you guys me getting my hair done, because today, I don't know if you guys know, but Fenty, you know, if you don't know, I don't know where you've been living, but Fenty is coming to South Africa. Well, it's coming to Africa and it's launching tomorrow for like actual sale, but I've been invited to the event. I'm so sorry about the lighting, but like, you know, anyway, I've been invited to the event, so today I am getting my hair done for that event, and I am so happy because the hair that is going to go on my head is a new type of texture that I've never tried before. I've never tried YAKI hair, and today OMGHERHAIR has sponsored today's video, and I'm going to be installing a unit from them. So it is a 13x4, which means like it's a frontal, which is like, you know, and it is pre-plucked. Girl, this hair is stunning. What do you mean? This hair is gorgeous. It is such good quality. OMGHERHAIR is one of those brands where you're gonna get a pre-plucked, pre-bleached unit that is impeccable, that you can just plop onto your head. And I'm excited because today the Don hair is doing my hair, so we're gonna be doing a whole, like, I'm hoping we can do an updo situation. And I love the fact that it's going to be a YAKI because it's gonna look like, you know, my hair. I mean, already the frontal is very, very nice and natural, so I really am excited to install this texture, like the YAKI texture. I've never had a full frontal like that, so I'm very hyped. When I show you guys the install and I do my voiceover, I'm gonna tell you how it wears, because I'm going to be wearing this hair the whole weekend. So I'm gonna tell you about shedding, I'm gonna tell you about everything in that section, so keep on watching. But right now I'm in real time and we are about to go to our hair appointment right now. It is, what time is it? It is 20 minutes to 9 and my hair appointment is at 9. Like I said, that I'm so excited to install this hair because I've never had this texture and I've got a really important event today, so I kind of need my hair to look bomb, you know. So yeah, if you are interested and you're like me, you've never tried a YAKI before, and you like how it looks, you like what I say about it, then definitely go into my description box. I will have all the details that you need in them. I'll have a link to the actual OMGHERHAIR website, and then I'll also have a link to the actual unit that I'm wearing, like this 22-inch that I'm going to be putting in today. So yeah, I'll have those links, and then if I do have a discount code, it will also be in the description box, so just look out for that and I'll give you all the details and all of that. But basically, when I was unboxing it, first thing I had to say was the packaging was beautiful, impeccable, very much a vibe, and then it was also very nicely secure. I loved the little free goodies that they gave me. I always love those. And yeah, I'm basically going to go and install it now. It is very early, I won't lie, but this is the only time that I could get a time slot for like getting my hair done. My event starts at 6. There's a dinner first and then there is the actual party, but we're actually gonna have dinner with like Rihanna's makeup artist. Like, we're gonna have dinner with her makeup artist, so I'm excited. I'm gonna get lots of pictures in the hair, so let's go let's go install. And yeah, like I said, I'll have all the details for OMG Her Hair in the description box. And if you want to see what I get up to at the event, then definitely watch the vlog. But yeah, we're going to a Fenty launch, baby, period. That's where we're going with this hair. So yeah, definitely check out my description box. And without any further ado, guys, let's go get our hair done. Okay, period. All right, guys, so let's get started. We are going to get started by putting on the wig cap. So I am going to do a glueless method. I always do a glueless. I just prefer it. So if you don't know what that means, that basically just means I'm going to be using 𝐒𝐿𝐷. It's an adhesive, yes, but it's like not a glue. It's more of like a hairspray. So yeah, we're gonna use the freeze spray on the wig cap to make sure that that is secure. I'm going to be doing the bald cap method because I do want to tie the hair away from my face and up, so I want it to look really natural. So that's why over here she's also adding some makeup to make it match my skin. So yeah, this is the wig, guys. Did you see how thick that wig is? It is so nice and full. This is me showing you the hairline, guys. Get into it. OMG Hair did that. Okay, so my hairstylist did not have to go in and plug. Literally, this is how it came. Okay, so over here she is just going to define the ear tabs. The ear tab was a little too big, so we're gonna cut that and we're gonna make sure that it fits my head properly. If you saw me with my phone over there, that was basically because I was recording a TikTok. Make sure that you go onto my TikTok and my Instagram and you check out that reel, because yeah, it's really cute. And yeah, so this part she is just going to cut off the excess lace, and this is me showing you guys the lace without me having it glued down. This is just how it looks, girl. Like, it's stunning. Okay, so now we are going in with some 𝐷2B, and we are just going in with a very thin layer. We don't ever use that much. Like, April really doesn't use a lot of glue, but like I said in the intro, I kept this wig on the whole weekend and I did not have to do any touch-ups. Even with that thin layer of 𝐷2B, the lace is really soft, so it stayed on my head really nicely. So over here she's just going in with a little bit more 𝐷2B just in the places where, you know, I needed some more. And then she took out the two front pieces for the hairstyle that we're going to be doing. I am so glad that we did this hairstyle because it looked fantastic. It looked exactly like my inspiration pictures. But over here she's just going to braid the little front pieces away so that she can work on the actual hair. And yeah, this hairstyle did take a minute. Okay, I was at the hair salon for a bit, but it was so worth it, guys. This hair looked so good with my outfit for the launch. I loved it. And then over here she's just taking a elastic band and she's tying down the lace so that it can melt while she's busy with the rest of the hairstyle, and she's making sure that it's super secure. So yeah, then we went in and started blow drying the hair. So there's a couple things that we did to this hair. We went in with some water and we sprayed it, and then we went in with this blow drying brush basically. So it's a brush, but it's also a blow dryer at the same time. And we did this because, like I said, this hair acts like your natural hair. So that's why she's going in right here with a water bottle and she's spraying some water onto the hair, and then afterwards she's going to go in and kind of blow dry it with that comb. It is so much easier to blow dry the hair with this pink comb because it's a 2-in-1. It's brushing the hair and it's also blow drying it at the same time. And I just loved this brush. I want it. I want this hair. This brush, I really want it for my hair because it was so easy. It was so easy, guys. All she had to do was just brush the hair and it was blow drying at the same time. And the hair responded so well to this. Look at the texture, guys. This is such beautiful texture. I'm obsessed. OMG Hair did that, okay? So yeah, that's why we wanted to go in and blow dry it just to remove any of the kinks, you know, from washing and from shipping and all of that. And now she's getting started with the actual ponytail and putting the hair up into a ponytail. She did this in 2 sections. So in the middle of the hair, she did one big ponytail, and then she went in with the rest of the hair and just, you know, put it up. And then in this clip, she is securing the hair down because we are going to be putting the hair up. So I didn't want any of my wig cap or my natural hair to show at the bottom. So she's clipping that into place and then going in with the hairspray just to make sure that the hair is nicely, you know, flat basically. And then she's gonna brush that into place. So the ponytail ended up really good. This is not a 360 degree lace frontal, but the ponytail worked. So even if you want to put your hair up into a ponytail, this is still a good wig to get because you can get that same look, but you don't have to get a 360 lace, you know. So yeah, now that the ponytail is nice and secure, we're going in and curling the hair. And like I said, I'm going to tell you guys how I experienced the wig throughout the weekend. And I kept this hair in from Thursday all the way till Sunday. And in this clip, she's basically just curling the front pieces and making sure to cut it according to my specifications. But I did not experience any shedding. I kept the ponytail in for one day, and then the rest of the weekend, the hair was down. And I did not experience any shedding. I just had to blow dry the hair down so that it was straighter. You would have seen if you watched my vlog. But yeah, this hair is great. It acted like natural hair. Obviously, it wasn't as kinky, it wasn't as curly, but it was a beautiful blown out natural yaki texture. So I do recommend. I think this was perfect for winter, and this is my final look. It looked beautiful. I love the fact that you could put it up. Also, there was a 6-inch part that you could use, and it looked very natural. So if you don't know where to find the link, baby girl, go into my description box and buy this hair today. It is stunning. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.